So we're at Tuesday morning because we're looking for some things to go with my DIY headboard that I'm gonna make with my pillow, and we're trying to find some fabric. I thought that this was a fabric store, but I guess they kind of revamped and it's not anymore because I don't see any. They don't have any, so we're about to go. Okay guys, so we're at Joann's fabric store, so they should for sure have what I need from here. This would be kind of cute. Okay, I found it. This is exactly what I was looking for. I saw a pillow like this at Target, but I wanted to make like one long pillow with this fabric here. This is gonna be so cute. Now I don't know if I should get the pink one or the white one. I think the pink one, because my bed is already white. I can't believe they have it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so how much do we need? So this is $44 a yard, and as you guys know, I'm making a headboard out of pillows, and I'm going to use that, but for the back I don't want to pay $44, so we are looking for fleece to go onto the back part of the pillows, because that part doesn't have to be like that shaggy material. We're looking for the same color fleece as for the pillow cases. I'm so sorry if that doesn't make any sense. I'm trying. So I need something like this, but this one is a little too light, and so is this one. What if I just did something like this? Now I'm looking at the fabric that's on sale. These are 50% off. I believe all of these are 50% off. Now onto the thread. So we are leaving Joann's fabric store. It was a success. We got everything that we need. And now I'm about to go to H-E-B to go get the stuff to make my chocolate chip brownie cookie dough Oreo cupcake. Hey y'all, so it's Monday. This is the trial run. In a nutshell, I'm just gonna make a whole bunch of pillows like this, and it's just gonna act as a headboard for me. Hey guys, today is Tuesday, and guess where I am? Taco Bell. Hey y'all, so I'm mad because I deleted the vlog footage that I recorded this morning. It was basically just like a little update of what was going on the past couple of days and why I was not posting, but it's all gone now. So you know what that means. Can't show it to you because it's gone. I've been really frustrated with myself lately because I keep on doing that. But anyways, I was just saying that today's August 1st. Go back to school in 14 days. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. So I'm just pretty much just trying to get ready for that. I need to get my school things in order because I don't have anything in order, because I am procrastinating because I don't want to go back to school. I filmed a video today. It was the how I edited my Instagram pictures. I actually filmed it, uploaded it in the same day, which has never happened before. But it happened today, and I'm really proud of myself because Monday I did not post. I was supposed to post on Tuesday, like in replacement of me not posting on Monday, but yesterday was just really bad weather and I did not like the way that my video came out. I was able to refilm it and post it today, so I'm really happy about that. Now I can plan out the rest of my week. The giveaway has ended, in case I didn't say that before. I contacted the winner through Twitter and Instagram as well, so thank you to everybody who participated in this giveaway. I really appreciate it. I underestimated the amount of people that would even participate because I didn't know that I would get 3,000 views on that video. Now I can't figure out if I want to film like a makeup video or a Q&A because I asked you guys to ask me questions, so I'm not sure if I want to do that just yet. I got my eyebrows done yesterday. I got them done at the mall called Shapes Brows. It hurt really bad. I have to say that my right eyebrow, this is like the good eyebrow. Like this eyebrow is always popping, it's always doing good, it's always living its best life. This brow over here is the one that's messed up always. The lady did my eyebrows and my right eyebrow didn't hurt at all, and I was like, oh my gosh, like this doesn't hurt at all. Like it don't hurt as much as I remember it hurting. And then when she got to the left brow, boy, let me tell you, that thing hurts so bad. I was crying, like she was like constantly having to wipe tears down my face. It was just messy. So I know I say it a lot, but this time I'm gonna really try to keep them up. Look at this curl right here. Okay, I see you, girl. I see you, curl. Okay, but I'm gonna really try to keep it up this time so that I won't have to keep going back to go get my eyebrows done because it hurts so bad. So whenever I see a hair pop up, I'm gonna pluck it. I'll talk to you guys later. Vlog, what's up? I just did this makeup look. I think that I'm gonna title it like some kind of a back to school first day. Brown, warm pink. It looks really weird on camera though, low-key. But I think that it's kind of cute. I'm just now starting to get into like the makeup biz, you know what I mean? Just kidding, I don't really do makeup that often, but I think that I want to start because it's really fun. Bye. Hey y'all, so we're in Office Max, or we're walking into Office Max. Today is Thursday, and I'm gonna go in here and look for a box to put the backpack to ship to Selena, the giveaway winner. Congratulations. Okay, so we're leaving Office Max. You can't see it. Y'all like my hair? I did something different today, or last night. Are they called bone rollers? Okay, I used some bone rollers. I twisted my hair up, 2-strand twist, and then I curled it in like some bone rollers, and it's cute. It looks like it's just like a really fluffy fro, and I think that I want to start doing this from now on because it's like cute and stuff. So I got this style from Notorious Kia. So I went to orientation this morning. If you follow me on Twitter, then you saw the depressing tweet that I tweeted. But I got my classes, so I'll just tell y'all what I got if you're interested in that. I got, this is all in order by the way. I have US History Honors, Physics Honors, Algebra 2 Pre-AP, Anatomy and Physiology, English 3 Honors, Health Science Theory, and Track. My classes are really top heavy this year because last year I started off in athletics. So you know, you go to school, not really you haven't even really like waking up yet, or woken up. Like, I need English lessons. I don't know, like you haven't really waken up yet. But this year, when I get to school, I have to be on it because I have 1, 2, 3 core classes. Anatomy and phys, that's one of my electives, but really that's like a real class. So really I only have one elective this year. I guess it's a good thing though, because I'm the type of person where I would probably focus more in the morning than afternoon, because in the afternoon I want to go home. So it's kind of a good thing that I have 2 of the easiest classes in the afternoon. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys later because my mom is brushing me. Bye. Okay, so we're finally leaving the post office. We've been here for like an hour or 2. We've been here for a long time. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. What's up, y'all? Today is Friday, August 3rd. Almost the end of the week. Vlog will be up on Sunday. But today, all I've been doing is editing and filming a video. I finally finished oh gosh, I finally finished my headboard. I've been trying to make this for like 4 days straight. And also I ended up having some extra fabric, so I'm just gonna use that kind of like a throw over my bed like this. I'm also trying to figure out if I can film another video today because I feel like I can. I'm just looking at my creators board because I can finally cross some things out on this board because I have done a few things. Done this video already. Oh, done this already. Oh, I've done this too. 1, 2, 3, 4 videos off of the list. So now I'm just gonna import this vlog footage and start editing this so that I won't get behind. Also, I just want to say that you right now watching this video right now, you are important and appreciated. You guys who watch my videos like all the way to this point, like 12 minutes into the video, who watch my whole videos, you guys are the important people. And just know that one day I'm going to do something really special for you all. We're going to do something really fun and really cool, or I'm going to do something really cool and really special for you because you are important and you actually care, and I appreciate that. We're on the same team, you know what I mean? So I just thought that I would say that. Hey guys, so today is Saturday, August 4th, and I'm about to go out and try to find like some khaki pants for my volunteership because the khaki pants that I have now, long story short, they're flooding on me, or high water flooding, whatever you like to call it. So I need to get some new ones. So I'm about to go out and try to find some. Tell me why I decided that I want to get cute. So I just put on the skirt, which is so cute. I wore this in my summer outfit lookbook thing. But guys, I can't fit the skirt anymore. Oops, sorry, it's still zooms in. It's way too tight. There's a button in the back, but I can't button it. So what I did was I tried to like tuck it in hopes that I would be able to wear it, but my stomach hurts. It's so tight on me. If you want it, then I'm gonna create a Depop. So that'll probably be up so that you can get this skirt if you want it. So guys, turns out I already have a Depop account. I didn't know that I did before, but I do. It's just at Tykara, Tykara. That's my Depop. You're gonna be seeing this skirt on here soon. Hey guys, so I'm back at home now. It's like 10 o'clock. I don't know for sure. I don't know what time it is, but I'm back at home and I'm just here to end the vlog. Sorry I didn't vlog while I was out looking for my my khaki pants. It's just that it turned into a bunch of nothing. Like I didn't buy any, so I just felt like why even vlog like a failed trip, because I felt like y'all wouldn't really care about that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Oh wait, I saw a rainbow today, so I was really happy about that. I hadn't seen a rainbow in a really long time. Like everybody around like my area, they were like posting it on Facebook. All the grown folks posting the rainbow on Facebook. I took a picture of it and posted it on Instagram. But yeah, I was just happy that I saw that rainbow because I haven't seen one. I feel like it's been like a year, but probably not that long, but I don't know. I just hadn't seen one in a really long time. But anyways, that's all for today's, or not today's, that's all for this week's vlog. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.
My chain, don't you like my chain, man? Young Gucci, man.